The German company BMW presented a limited edition sedan MI Final V Edition. The novelty will be the last car of the brand with a 12-cylinder engine. This is reported by the press service of the manufacturer. The powerful V has fallen under the onslaught of environmental regulations. To celebrate the 35-year history of production of models with a 12-cylinder engine, the company will release a modest batch of 12 7 Series sedans for the US. The novelty is based on the top version of the MIX brand. The cost of the exclusive flagship starts at $200,000, excluding taxes and fees. They will be distinguished by a special decor, rich equipment and an expanded cabin model. Under the hood of the car, this 6-liter 609 horsepower engine with 2 turbochargers and a continuous valve timing system will take its place. The 8-speed automatic transmission and proprietary all-wheel drive system will help to realize the potential of the motor. According to the manufacturer, it takes less than 4 seconds for the car to accelerate to the first 100. Externally, the novelty can be recognized by the largely badged with a special collaboration by the 760 which will be included in the product enhanced comfort rear seats, a panoramic roof with LEDs, adaptive laser LED headlights and a Bowers & Wilkins diamond surround sound system. Buyers will be provided with an assortment of 8 colors for interior trim made of full merino leather. As a gift, each of the 12 future owners will receive a commemorative table sign indicating the serial number of the copy, as well as samples of body color and leather. Production of the novelty will start in June this year, and the first copies will go to the owners a month later. If you liked the video, you can always support me with a subscription or a like. Thank you and see you tomorrow.